Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are gonna see how to log in into Pinterest. So let's head over to our browser and search for Pinterest, pinterest.com. And once you're there, if you have already have an account, just tap on login. It might take some time according to your internet network to log. And once you are there, you have to give your email and your Pinterest password and then tap on login. So yeah, this is how easy to log into Pinterest account. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.